out. It said I saw a lot of junk parts. I made it for a parade vehicle. Little things you'd back up. You'd think you'd have everything all thought out, and there was always something you'd have to back up and start over again. And we run into problems because we had so many times that there were so many things that you start trying to compact everything down, and you run into a real problem.